I came to Arkana a week ago, and already now I can say that I am feeling reborn for the experience I had here. I came a bit lost here, and I had intentions to heal my childhood traumas, my own abandonment, and to find who I really am. And actually Ayahuasca together with San Pedro made me find even more than I was expecting. My life got the power back. I got my feminine power back, and now I can speak loud for myself. And I am so grateful for the Arkana retreat and all the people here, because each one is magical, and it's been a magical week transforming for myself, and it's just a blessing to be here. I guess everyone who has a feeling and a calling to just come for the ayahuasca, it should do that, because it's safe and because you're protected and you will always feel love around you and yourself. Yeah, it was an amazing experience for me. Thank you so much.